Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. I don't think we should.
Hi Roblox, I got a new car. Cool, how much did it cost? The price isn't important, Roblox, but my new car is gonna... How much did it cost? 5 Robux. How is that even possible? I don't know, but do you want to see it? Sure. It looks very cool. Thanks. Hey guys, I heard that Chudletsky got a new car. He did. It's right here. Cool. It looks like it was made in 2015 or something.
1 hour later.
One fried chicken, please.
You're Shudletsky. Here you go.
Thank you.
Two hours later.
Hi Daniel, do you like my new car?
It only has 2 seats.
So?
3 hours later.
See, is it cool?
Yeah, kind of is. 4 hours later. What the?
Hi Daniel, it's a nice house you've got here.
How did you get my address?
To be honest, I don't know.
5 hours later. Six hours later.
Hi Roblox. Hi Christopher. Did Shudletsky get a new car? Yep, it's very cool. Can I see it? Of course you can. It's parked outside. Okay, thanks.